In this tutorial, we will look at how we can find our way around the dashboard. When you first log into the software, this is the screen you are presented with. To create a workbook, click on the large icon in the center of the screen. Clicking on our avatar gives us access to My Profile, where you can update your profile, or you can log out of the software. Clicking on the burger menu icon slides in the Options menu. Here you can access your profile, as well as getting back to the dashboard, accessing your voting activities, looking at your participant lists, and also this menu gives you access to your own cloud storage, called My Files. Some helpful links are below to video tutorials, the manual, as well as seeing what the latest updates are. You can also report any bugs you have seen here. At the top of the screen are some more shortcut links as well as the options to start a video call. And, also a whiteboard session. Or you can even create a voting activity from this link. When you click on the logout option, there is a confirmation you need to agree to before you can leave the software. Thanks for watching this tutorial.